Now students, come to our next topic. When new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. In this we will solve full flash question hour. There we will make revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Now students, come to our question. A and B are in partnership, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. This is old ratio. On 1st April 2018, they admitted C into partnership. He paid rupees 50,000 as his capital, but nothing for goodwill, which was valued at rupees 40,000 for the time. Students, new partner bring here capital in cash, but nothing for goodwill. It means here goodwill does not bring. He acquired 1/5 share in profits equally from both partners. Students, new partner acquired from old partner equally. It was also decided that land and building be written off by rupees 20,000, means by 20,000 it will decrease. Stock be written down by rupees 3,200, so it will deducted from 3,200. This is our revaluation part. A provision of rupees 1,000 be created for doubtful debts, and an amount of rupees 1,200 included in sundry creditors be written off as it is no longer payable. The balance sheet of A and B as at 31st March 2018 was as under. Balance sheet. Come to the liability side. Capital accounts AB 86,000, 64,000, total 1,50,000. General reserve 20,000, sundry creditors 31,200, and total of liability side 2,12,000. Now students, come to the asset side. Goodwill account 10,000, land and building 60,000, plant and machinery 70,000, stock 36,000, sundry debtors 20,000, cash at bank 4,000, cash in hand 1,200, and total of asset side 2,12,000. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital accounts and new balance sheet of the firm. Students, come to hint. Here given goodwill already appearing in the books at rupees 10,000 will be written off by old partner in their old ratio, and another hint is given. C's current account will be debited by his share of goodwill 8,000, and old partner's capital account will be created in their sacrificing ratio 1:1. Okay students, now come to our solution. First we will make the revaluation account. Debit side land and building account, because this side we will record our decrease in assets and increase in liability, and in credit side we record increase in assets and decrease in liability. So land and building account 20,000, stock 3,200, provision for doubtful debts 1,000, in credit side by sundry creditors 1,200. At the last we find our difference. This is called loss transfer to capital account. A and B is 13,800, B is 9,200, total 23,000. Revaluation account total is 24,200. Okay students, now come to the partners capital account. First of all we will write our opening capital by balance BD 86,000, 64,000. Then come to the general reserve 12,000, 8,000. These both items given in the liability side of our balance sheet in our question. Then by bank account, this is the due capital of new partner 50,000. C's current account. Students, here we will not write premium for goodwill because here partner does not bring goodwill in cash, so we will write here new partner's current account it means C's current account 4,000. Then come to the debit side, we will write revaluation account 13,890 200. This is given revaluation credit side, it is the difference or loss you can say. To goodwill account 6,000 4,000, it given in balance sheet in our question. At the last we will find our difference. This is called to balance CD 82,200, 62,800 and 50,000. Now students, come to the total of capital account. A's total 1,02,000, B's total 76,000, C's total 50,000. Now we will come to balance sheet. Balance sheet, this is also called opening balance sheet. As at 1st April 2018, come to the liability side, sundry creditors 30,000, capital account of A, B, C 82,200, 62,800, 50,000, total 1,95,000. This capital given in capital account debit side, balance CD. Now come to the cash in hand 1,200, cash at bank 54,000, sundry debtors 20,000 less provision 1,000, total will come 19,000. Then we will write here stock 32,800. If you want you can write it by another way also. You will write here 36,000 less depreciation 3,200, then it will come 32,800. Plant and machinery 70,000, land and building 40,000. C's current account 8,000. This is your goodwill which does not bring in cash. Okay students, thank you students.